What up, Torch fam and beautiful people all around the world? My name is Papa Torch.
My name is Momma Torch.
And this is TeamTorchic. Today we are opening up an Alakazam V box. These are I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. Like, this is off top. This is not scripted. But these are very hard to find at stores. Pokemon cards are very hard to find anyway. But we're going to bust these packs open right away. If you didn't know, TeamTorchic is a positive and loving Pokemon community. And all is welcome here. If nobody told you today,
you are awesome.
You are talented.
And you are loved.
And we're going to bust these packs right on open. And we forgot to say, you're part of the TorchFam. Alright, look at this beautiful, beautiful Alakazam V box. I knew they would do something with Alakazam because they can print Kadabra cards again. How about that? It's been a long time. Well, I do not know what fell over there. It's been a long time since we've seen a Kadabra card. Ooh, hold on. What we got here? We got the promo. There we go. Ooh, where's the code card for the promo? Here we go. We got an Alakazam V promo. Looking crispy. We're gonna go ahead and slap him in the back there. Nice and crispy. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thank you so much for tuning in today. You all are amazing, amazing talented people, and we appreciate your support. Here's the code card for that Alakazam V, and we got four. I thought that was a Burning Shadows pack. I was about to poo myself. So we got 2 Vivid Voltage, a Sun and Moon, and a Rebel Clash. Me and my beautiful, beautiful chunky Momma Torch love to split the packs up. That's how we rock, that's how we roll. So I'm gonna give her the Rebel Clash and a Vivid Voltage pack. And I'm gonna take a Vivid Voltage and a Sun and Moon pack. Nice, crispy, quick opening for you guys. We're gonna start trying to upload more videos every day. First pack, let's get it. Can we get the big fat sumo wrestler chunky rainbow chaw? Let's do it. Yeehaw. Here we go. Metal energy, beautiful beauty. Stone energy, ooh, Shuckle just chilling. We got a Drillbur, we got an Oshawott, we got a Duskull and a Fairseed in China. Riolu, cute as ever. We got a reverse Lycanroc, and we got a generic great value thrift store Blastoise. Very, very nice. So my Vivid Voltage pack had no hit in it. Sadly. Sun and Moon. What can we get out of Sun and Moon? Hopefully something crispy. Let's do it right now. 4 from the back. Fighting energy. Here we go. Team Skull Grunt. We got a Grand Blaze. Like, yes, I made it to the top of the mountain. Yes. Twin energy. Skarmory. He looks like he's honestly in like the actual heaven. Actually, that looks like something from Aladdin right there, honestly. Like, that's kind of cool. We got Poliwag. We got a Sand Castle. We got a cool looking Eevee. We got, he's ready to fight. Look at him, Crab Brawler. Reverse Oranguru, and wow, I am nada zip zilch nada, but still fun, guys. Let's see what Trish gets.
Alrighty, guys. I am going to start with this Vivid Voltage pack, hoping to get some pack magic, especially since he did not get anything in his.
Yeah, tell him, Momma Torch. Tell him. I ain't getting nothing.
Nothing. Alright. Energy.
Oh my god, I think I see something.
Coding energy.
I might be tripping, though.
Yeah. Cottony. Arrokuda. Spider.
Oh, lighting was
Piggypeck.
Messed
Reverse.
up time. Oh, regular rare. Wow,
right,
come on.
Chance to redeem ourselves.
We can't go out like that. We might have to bust out a pack from down below.
Oh yeah, might have to.
Oh my gosh, this box can't be all regular rares. If this ain't a good pull here, then flat out, this box ain't worth it. No. It ain't worth it. It ain't worth it to us, at least.
Alright, energy. Shuckle. Dan. Meditite. Stunky. Grubbin. Wingull. Natu.
How do you do? Squirrel. Oh my gosh!
No!
Oh my gosh! Torch fam, we cannot go out like that. That box just did us so dirty. All regular rares out of the Alakazam V box. So we went ahead and grabbed these from our little collection here. We're gonna let Trish do this Eevee one, and I'm gonna do, I think this is Rebel Clash. So We never open them up like this with the camera facing us, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. Give it a shot. So, here we go. She's opening hers up at the same time. Trish, you gotta get in the video there. Yeah, so here we got code card for the Zigzagoon line. Oh, God, the card went flying. Yeah, you guys have already seen that Obstagoon. Whatever. So, pack. Here we go. Rebel Clash. Oh, I seen the code card. Oh, well, here we go. We got Dreepy, Snorunt, whatever he is, Darumaka, Vulpix, Clefairy, and a regular rare Mario.
Reverse. Oh, I didn't do the card trick.
Oh my gosh, man, we got did dirty today. Well, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. We tried our very best with this short and quick opening. We hope you all have a fantastic day. We'll see you in the next